The Ace of Swords is the start of a new thought. It's the moment your mind cuts through the noise and you finally see the truth. Let's decode it. Every symbol, every meaning.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mystic Vibes, a place to learn about occult sciences.
This is the card of clarity and truth. It shows up when you are letting go of old beliefs and you are making room for a fresh perspective. Unlike slow changing cards, this one hits fast. A realization, a conversation, a decision that shifts everything almost instantly. Now the symbols. The swords represent the mind, thoughts, logic, truth, communication. The crown means victory, but the sword runs straight through it. This means that real victory comes from wisdom, not force. One side has the wreath of triumph, the other has the olive branch of peace. Winning that costs you your peace is not really winning. The six flames are divine insight. Sometimes the answer is not earned through overthinking, it just arrives. The mountains behind mean challenges that are still there, but now you have the clarity to face them. And the double edged sword itself, it's a gift and a warning. Used wisely, it reveals truth, but if used carelessly, it cuts through the relationships with harsh words and rushed decisions. In career, it can mean a new job, new opportunity, a promotion, or the start of a business idea. You will finally solve a problem that has been stuck. If you have an interview or presentation coming up, then this is a green light. Your communication will land. In love, if you're single, expect a connection that starts through real conversation, not just attraction. If you're taken, misunderstandings can clear up, but only if both people actually speak the truth. This card can also show you clearly whether the relationship still fits when where you are growing or no. In terms of finances, decide with logic, not emotion. Research before you invest. Read every line before you sign. No impulse spending. Clarity first, then the money should move. In health readings, it often points to finally getting the right diagnosis or understanding what is actually been going on. Mentally, it's about dropping negative thought loops. Watch out for overthinking. It drains you as much as anything physical does. The guidance that this card gives is to set emotion aside for a moment. Look at the facts, not assumptions. Ask the question you have been avoiding. Use logic, but deliver truth with integrity, not coldness. This is not about winning an argument. It is about seeing clearly. Now, for challenges, watch for three things. Are you avoiding a truth that you already know? Are you letting old beliefs cloud what's right in front of you? And speaking before you think? And sometimes this card is just pointing at the decision that you are scared to make. Now, every transformation starts with one clear thought. Truth is not always comfortable, but it's always liberating. Which part hits you? The clarity, the truth, or the new beginning? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe if you are following Dee-Code the Tarot. Next card's coming up soon.